Alright, so we got, I was going to call it the Jabba Jigsaw, the Jabba the Hutt, because I came from the seeds from Michael Christensen's
Sheltered Life.
Vader Jigsaw. It actually originated from a cross that came out of my yard. So, spin that thing around so we can see the little tail. So I'm not sure what this one's going to do. I bet you it's not as hot as that C-3-P0, but we're about to find out. It's all you.
Burn my gut, I think this will.
Oh, it didn't pop off like that other one. What is it, hot already?
Thick.
That's probably full of placenta. Oops.
Anybody seen that movie, The Dark Crystal? Yeah. The Dark Crystal? Yeah. Let me write one of them.
Yeah, so I don't know if I said it, we're going to call this one the Yoda Jigsaw, I believe.
Kicking my ass already, it is.
That was great.
Burning the tip of my tongue.
Call it Igor now. Yeah, I hit record this time. Yoda, that's right. Yeah, you call it
Now it's in
Yoda.
the front of the mouth. Circulating around the back now. Throat punch. Wait till it's your
Compared to yesterday's pod.
For him, it makes it better because it's already extreme. You know?
Compared to yesterday's pod, what do you think?
I've decided I'm going to stop doing a 1 to 10. I'm going to do a 1 to 100. This one's about 65 or 70.
What one yesterday?
Oh, yesterday's was about 90, 95.
Alright, what's your thought? Going through some bags.
Woo.
It's time for me to smoke stick.
Yeah, just like C-3-P0 yesterday, I bet that annoying burn on the side of the tongue.
Which would make sense, since it's just a color variation.
Yeah.
In my opinion, I mean,
Punch isn't as bad. But it's mainly a tongue burn.
I'm out of here, Jaden.
Not a bad pepper. Not a bad pepper at all. A little bit more floral than the C-3-P0.
Smell that.
Not as earthy. Still good flavor.
What? Who?
When I know that was playing, that was.
And you were right.
Denver Broncos and Bears.
Not quite as hot as the other one, but still respectable, man. Ain't no dressed up fucking jalapeno.
They almost had it last year.
Yeah, that's as far as flavor goes, give it 80%. Heat, solid 65%. Still pretty fucking hot. As far as tongue burn, I give it about an 80. It's definitely got that. Obviously, I'm able to talk more than I was yesterday, but it's still one of those things where
That's what I heard she said too.
my tongue is.
She's hosting.
I'm sorry about that. Good flavor. Good flavor, good heat.